press. Right now, Eji my hustle. Yeah, okay, see the girl she fine. Hustle every time you gonna do like the life. Make her go, make we dance. Body girl come closer, make we do like the time. Sit up, see the girl she wanna link up. Every day we did, no be say we gonna be for. When I get the money, I go tell you I be big boy. Baby girl, make them know say I be King Kong. Oh my God, oh, girl I'm ready for love, ready for love. Hope you know you balance it, yeah, I'm ready tonight. Oh my God, oh, you know I'm ready for love, ready for love. Hope you know you balance it, yeah, I'm ready tonight. No time for love, oh, I am losing control, losing control. Hope you know you balance it, yeah, I'm waiting tonight. I'm in love, oh, say I'm falling in love, falling in love. Hope you know you balance it, yeah, I'm waiting tonight. Oh my God, oh, girl I'm ready for love, ready for love. Hope you know you balance it, yeah, I'm ready tonight. Oh my God, oh, you know I'm ready for love, ready for love. Hope you know you balance it, yeah, I'm ready tonight. As I see every day, as the people want make a body all day. I live my whole life just to make worry. But I think just call my way, just call my name. Yeah, right now. I go put you on the bed like making you the door like I love the way you want just to make a by your side like people yeah sorry what making you the when you game me back to on the rights. Oh my God, oh, girl I'm ready for love, ready for love. Hope you know you balance it, yeah I'm ready tonight. Oh my God, oh, you know I'm ready for love, ready for love. Hope you know you balance it, yeah I'm ready tonight. See your love wanna make me go crazy. Say the girl she fine like a big like a baby. Make her do like innovations. Lip press every day we go everything. Say the girl she fine, no be say we gonna party. If I get the money I go do you like the 90. Say the girl she fine, make it go.
Yeah, my name is Mr. Apostle. We are here to record the event of the Nassim Music. Day 14th May, a new queen will be emerged, and there will be celebration in this school. So many beauty queens will be here. Unizik Queen, Ibariam Queen, CEO Chukwemeka Odumegwu Queen, Esut Queen, and so on and so forth. Feda Poyoko Queen. All the queens of the university in Anambra State are going to be here, and all the men of dignities are going to be here. Watch out and see how this event will unfold. You can see we are here about to record it, and the student will soon be coming, and the event will start unfolding.
Contestant number 3.
Managed to keep me going, but somehow you keep me from going. So you distract me, but I'm distracted. But if you love me, just like the way that I love you, I wouldn't mind a little comforting from you. Why do I let you in my head? And I gotta go sometimes, but you're always on my.
Thank you so much, DJ.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, look at them from this side and to this side. That is from the female category to the male category. I hope you like what you're seeing. Now, if you like what you're seeing, I want you to put your hands together for this rotation. And thank you very much.
Sorry, we didn't get that. Thank you very much. That was the correct answer. Contestant number 2, please. Hurry up. Question number 4. What is the name of NASEM's Director of Socials?
Thank you for that question. The Director of Social is Comrade Weze Emmanuel Ibuka. Weze Emmanuel Ibuka.
Thank you very much. That was the correct answer. Contestant number 3, please pick your question. Question 8. What is the name of NASEM's PRO? What is the name of NASEM's PRO? It's beyond.
Thank you for that wonderful question. Let's take this.
She has no idea. Thank you very much. The correct answer to that question is Comrade Muheji Lobet Olwebule. So, the male category, contestant number 1, please pick your question.
Question 7.
Question number 7. What is the name of NASEM's Director of Sports? What is the name of NASEM's Director of Sports?
Thank you very much for the question. The name of NASEM Director of Sports is Comrade Feka Chibike Samuel.
Thank you very much. That question was correct. Please pass the mic. Contestant number 2, please your question.
Question number 1.
Question number 1. What is the name of NASEM's head of department?
Thank you for this wonderful question. The name of the HOD of NASEM is Professor Frank Wankwa O.
Thank you very much. The answer was correct. Please pass the microphone. Question number 6. What is the name of NASEM's financial secretary?
The name of NASEM's financial secretary is Comrade Azon Tachinaina Okoye.
Thank you very much. That was an amazing answer. It is correct. Please jump your hands together for our contestants. They are doing well. Question number 9. What is the name of the special advisor to NASEM's president?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Comrade Angona Williams.
Thank you very much. The answer was correct. Number 10. What is the name of the outgoing Mr. Sam? What is the name of the outgoing Mr. Sam?
Thank you for the wonderful question. The outgoing Mr. Sam is Wade Emmanuel Chibike.
She was close. It's actually Mwagadi Emmanuel Chibweze. Please ask your microphone. Question number 12. What is the full meaning of NASEM?
National Association
President of the National Association of Cooperative Economics and Management Students.
Thank you very much for that question. The name of the current president of NASEM is Martins Ijago.
Well, that was a wrong answer. The name of the current president of the National Association of Cooperative Economics Students is Comrade Moama Peter.
The name of the outgoing is NASEM is Comrade Eze Anaka. Comrade Eze Anaka Angela English.
Thank you very much. The answer was correct. What is the name of NASEM's vice president?
For our wonderful question. The name of the vice president of NASEM is Comrade Owochukwu Francisca.
That was half a wrong answer. The answer is Comrade Ofo Ogechukwu Francisca. Thank you very much.
Now we move to the IQ question. What is the full meaning of MC and who is the MC tonight?
Thank you for the wonderful question. The meaning of MC means Master of Ceremony, and MC for today's event is MC Apostle.
Correct. Question number 9, and it says, how many states make up the Southeast Geopolitical Zone? Thank you. But who is a pageant queen?
Pageant queen is wins an award that is done with a crown and a sash.
Okay, the answer now is a lady who wins a beauty contest and are done with a correct.
Question number 1.
No. If you are the president of Nigeria, what is your name?
Thank you for this wonderful question. If I'm the president of Nigeria today, I am His Excellency Muhammadu Buhari. If I'm the president of Nigeria today, I am Comrade Okweze.
Which local government is Anambra under? Thank you. Okay. Your own annual Kingsley for DOS1 SVG. Let's name it. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Let's go and bring it.
By 6 a.m., between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m., you'll be getting the code you'll be using to vote today for the SVG elections. And this is one of our own. And you got Kingsley, aka Mr. Right, coming out from the director of socials. Please deliver him as a pharmacist. He is our own. Also remember Comrade Ifaka Samuel is also ours, coming out for GOS2. Please, he is ours. He's even a Zemite. Please deliver him for us. Please, can someone send for them? We need them right here on stage.
So, your executive levels are understand.
No, they can't. The mission is not over. They cannot see.
NASEM East Coast, where are you? And the NASEM royalties, where are they? That's where royalties.
I'm NASEM Director of Sport, and I'm here to present medals for the NASEM football tournament. This medals goes to the winners of the NASEM football tournament. About past years. So I'll be calling on stage the various winners. So please, if you hear your name, I would like you to boldly walk up to the stage to get your medal. Here we have the 1-1 Chicago. Let's clap for them, please. It's not easy. We have here Okoye Silver Gifts. Okoye Silver Gifts. We also have here Aaron and Gideon. Aaron and Gideon. We also have here Anike Jesse. We also have here Agu and Chidera. Coco Cynthia. Jennifer Ochi. Obet Solomon. We have Eze who sings Ellie. The outgoing royalties 2019, 2020 zero. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for a face of Sam. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for she like the way I dance, she like the way I move, she like the way I rock, she like the way I move.
Alright, I think at this time we are
It's not the same. I have no time. But you should always put out this type of life. Whenever you are going for doing. This is a perfect like a dinner suit. Like a suit. Yeah. But my shoe. It's not a dinner. This is a better dinner shoe. Followed by this. But not this. So, why I'm giving this little corrections subsequent? Judge Miller. I want to hit in the male category. I'm going to take it from the last. That is the second round. Is Mr. Tango, go. Clap for him. Mr. President, step forward. Nobody is here. Mr. Tango is second round. Please, Tango. Who is Tango?
24 hours, not more hours with you. Spend the weekend, get even more.
I want to know who she is. Okonkwo. King Larry Iwochukwu. You already know your way. The first round is Miss Okonkwo Chikadi. Everybody rise. The queen of the year, the beauty queen of the year, the authentic queen of the year, the sweetest queen of the year, the lovely queen of the year is nobody rather than Miss Ademma
this kind of dance, you do like say you ready to do. Say this kind of dance, you do like say you dey make me mad oh. Say this kind of dance, you do like say you dey make me
This is the end of the beauty pageantry of the Naseens. Yeah, Unisec. It has ended with joy, with love and happiness, harmony. No war, no fight, no struggle, no criminality. The new queen has emerged. Mr. and Mrs. Naseen, Miss Popularity and Mr. Popularity, and face of Naseen. They have emerged today. Today begins a new day in this department, and we wish the queens, the new queens and kings, we wish them success. We wish them powerful reign for 1 year, and also we pray that this is not going to be their end. This is going to be their starting point, from departmental queen to faculty queen, from faculty queen to university queen, from university queen to Anambra, to state, to local government, to state, to Eastern Nigerian queen, and to the world, to Nigerian queen, to Miss Nigeria, and to world Miss. I pray that God will connect you through this and make you higher in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. I am still your regular broadcaster, presenter, and media personnel, Messi Apostle Martin. Onye na-eje ebe ọ na-eme onye ọrụ ukwu. Ka anyị naba ọrụ ukwu ugbu a, ka anyị jee na nke obi ọta, ka anyị jefu ihe na-eme ebe a. Anyị si ebe a abanye ebe a, anyị si Ọka anyị abanye ọrụ ukwu, anyị si ọrụ ukwu anyị abanye Enugu, anyị si Enugu anyị abanye Ọba, anyị si Ọba anyị abanye Ukpo. Eta ka anyị si eme ya. Anyị na-etubakwa iwu nsogbu. Anyị bụ ijere maka akụ na-eche na mmụọ ọzọ ada akwụ na ọgbọ. Daalụnụ.